Guys, today we're going to be doing a full body workout, no equipment needed. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. And also, if you're watching, like, share, subscribe. It literally means the whole wide world to me when you do. I appreciate you so much. Let's jump straight into the video. Also, you guys, this workout is really short and intense, and it's ideal if you don't have a lot of time to work out. So first things first, we are just going to do a little stretch to warm up, and then we are going to basically do like a plank hold, but like a Spider-Man plank hold. So we're going to raise one leg up, and you will really feel this work your core, your obliques, and also your buttocks muscles as well. We are going to hold this for 30 seconds on each side. Just setting my timer. Remember to breathe through it, you guys. You got this. You can do this. And really inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale, blow out through the mouth. You can do this. Try to keep as straight as possible. You will really feel this work in your whole entire body. Almost there, you guys. Well done. That's our 30 seconds complete. Now we're just going to come into Cobra. Really breathe. Inhale, exhale. This pose is great at strengthening your abs and your buttocks muscles. Also really great for your digestive system as well. So for the other side. Holding, you can do this. We're almost there, you guys. Amazing job. Well done. You did it. One of the things I love is quick, short, intense workouts, and this is really quick, short, and intense. Now we're just going to do a few stretches. It's so vital to really warm the muscles up and really prepare ourselves, limiting the likelihood of injury. Now we're going to be doing this exercise called Superwoman, and we're going to do this for a whole minute. This is great at toning your whole body and really targets your abs and your buttocks, which I really love to target those areas. So let's go, and remember to focus on your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. You got this, you can do this, I believe in you, you can do this, keep going. Almost there, you guys. Keep pushing, keep breathing. You can and you will. Well done, amazing job. Now we're just gonna come into Cobra, an amazing stretch on our abs, and it's really beneficial for your digestive system as well. Breathe deeply, feeling the release of serotonin, the happy chemical, feeling lifted from all the exercise. Now coming into cow pose, a great stretch for your spine. Now we're just going to set our timer for 30 seconds, you guys. Actually forgot the name. Mountain climbers, that's it. We're going to do mountain climbers. Really push, you guys. Keep going. I believe in you. You can do this. Keep pushing, guys. Breathe deeply. Inhaling deeply through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. You got this. We're almost there, you guys. Keep pushing. Keep those knees up. Let's go, go, go. Well done, you did it. Done, amazing job. Now we are gonna move on to the next exercise, which is starfish, and we're gonna be doing this for 1 minute, you guys. Keep pushing, keep focusing on your breath as you do this. A great exercise at toning and sculpting your whole body. Remember to breathe through it, you guys. You can and you will. You can do this. You got this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep pushing. We're almost there, you guys. And remember, you can also do 3 sets of this exercise. If this one round isn't enough for you, it's entirely up to you, depending on how much time and then obviously your goal as well. Keep going, you guys. You can do this. I believe in you. Open and close. I love this exercise. It kind of feels like you're swimming. Minus the water, of course. Well done, amazing job, you guys. Coming back into Cobra, just stretch it all out. Now we're just going to do a little cool down stretch. My favorite, we're going to just thread our needle like so. Amazing for your digestive system and amazing at just like relaxing your body after your little workout. Just opening up the knees. And then we are gonna thread our needle like so. A great stretch for your shoulders and your arms and also your stomach. Just breathe through it, you guys. You did amazing. Thank you so much for joining me during this workout. I love you so, so much, especially if you subscribe, like, share, comment. I love you guys. I shall see you in my next upload. Wishing you nothing but peace, love, and light. Mwah.